SAP Analytics Cloud has been out for some time now, and they're doing a great job of improving its functionality with each and every release. However, one of the features the user keeps on asking about is the scheduling and broadcasting function. APAS fills this gap with a very good broadcast solution named APAS Publisher. APAS Publisher can burst multiple stories with multiple filter selections in multiple formats. It is indeed a great solution. But what if you want to just distribute a single PDF per story and don't care about the other bells and whistles? If that sparks your interest, stay tuned. Hi, I'm Carlos, and in this video, we will discuss how to automate SAC story distribution using Python. The solution consists of two parts. The first part is automating the download of your story in PDF format, and the second part is obtaining that PDF and attaching it to an email. That part we will not cover due to the differences of your OS. I am in Mac OS and able to automate that very easily, but those on Windows or Unix can find many utilities that will do this for you. Without further ado, let's get to the code. Selenium WebDriver calls SAP Analytics Cloud and searches for the appropriate DOM objects to fill in the values containing username and password. After successful login, the code awaits for the page to render before looking for the submenu export within the save options. This action is followed by the click of the second button to export the story in PDF format. After the object downloads, the WebDriver will close the web browser so we can consume the exported file in the second half of our solution. It is worth noting that what we are doing is replicating end-user interactions programmatically, and this approach can be applied to any end-user interface rendered in any major web browser, desktop or mobile, and even in a remote server. Links to downloadable content, supporting information, and contact information for any question that you might have can be found below. Thank you very much for watching and enjoy your day.